Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara.
Former DPWH Bulacan Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez directly named Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Joel Villanueva as allegedly involved in corruption related to flood control projects in Bulacan. During the House Infrastructure Committee hearing, Hernandez laid out the details of the projects involving the two senators. He also pointed to his former boss, former DPWH Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara, as the alleged chief implementer of this anomaly.
Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. At ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Noong 2023 naman ay naglabas ng 600 million si Senator Joel Villanueva at ang SOP nito ay 30% din. Binigay din ito nung lumabas sa GAA at i-deliver sa bahay niya sa Bukawi ni D. Alcantara at dating hepe ng aming construction si Engineer JP Mendoza. Si D. Alcantara namin ang masasabing chief implementor. Siya po ang kumakausap sa lahat ng politiko na involved dito.
Hernandez also presented pieces of evidence along with Engineer JP Mendoza, who was also former DPWH Bulacan official. In these photos, Senator Estrada and Engineer Alcantara can be seen together.
I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
In these messages, the alleged exchanges between Senator Villanueva and Engineer Alcantara can also be seen.
Kanino sinend yung message na yan?
Kay Boss Henry po.
Bakit
Thank
kami
you.
kopya?
Dahil disappearing message po yan, hindi po niya pwedeng screenshot. Pinapicturean po niya para mabasa po agad.
Okay. Kanino pinapicturan?
Sa akin po.
But on the part of Alcantara, he strongly denied the accusations made by his former subordinates and even insisted that he is clean from any corruption.
Tungkol po sa sinasabi niya na ako po ang kausap ng mga politiko, hindi po totoo yan na ako'y nagdi-deliver sa mga politiko. Si Senator Joel 2023, wala pong project na flood control si Senator Joel ever since. At sino po ang makakaalam kung sino po ang naglalagay dyan? We are not part of the BICAM. Wala po kaming alam dyan. As my superior said, Undersecretary Cathy Cabral, kahit sila po hindi nila alam yan. Paano pa po ako? And we are not even involved during budget hearing.
The owner of St. Gerard Construction, Pacifico Discaya, also appeared at the hearing. At the start of his testimony, he clarified that he did not directly transact with House Speaker Martin Romualdez and Ako Bicol Party List Representative Saldico. However, he was not spared from the remarks of Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto, who was also invited to the hearing. The mayor said the Discaya companies have tax deficiencies and other violations.
Recently, they have been, Mr. Discaya has been recently convicted of 2 counts of building code violations. So medyo notorious po ito, kasinungalingan po talaga. At lantarang kasinungalingan naman po yung mga sinasabi nito. Hindi naman po bago sa kanila ang pagsisinungaling. Naobserbahan na po natin ito on the record and in public very many times. Sabi nga, dito sa kaso na ito, ang sinungaling ay asawa ng magnanakaw.
Meleles Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.